Now to an update on the deadly storms ravaging the southern U.S., leaving at least 9 people dead and many more missing. Rescue crews are still searching for survivors while residents try to salvage what's left of their belongings. ABC's Dave Packer has the latest.
Remnants of homes once recognizable piled on the ground. A fallen street sign. Houses of worship reduced to rubble. The effects of a deadly tornado outbreak across 7 states. More than 40 reports of twisters. The hardest hit, Alabama. In historic Selma, a confirmed EF2 tornado struck the city with winds up to 130 miles per hour.
You couldn't hear anything. And all of a sudden, the pressure in my ears, kind of like being on an airplane. I could feel it, and then I knew the tornado was up on me. And you could hear some crashing and that kind of thing.
First responders searching for survivors. Debris scattered everywhere. Businesses destroyed. In rural Autauga County north of Montgomery, a suspected tornado blamed for killing at least 7 people. Julia Jackson knew one of the victims.
It just took him out of his trailer and just, like a rag doll, just spin him around and threw him down. All you can do is just cry. It hurts so bad to see my community like this.
Across the region, neighborhoods wiped out.
We don't have anything. Everything we had is gone.
This Wallace family picking up the pieces.
Just basically going through stuff to see what we can find that's salvageable, and I don't really know from there what we're going to do.
In Georgia, a 5-year-old, Egan Jeffcoat, lost his life after a tree fell on the family car. Another passenger crushed, rushed to the hospital. Georgia's governor says the hardest hit was near the Georgia-Alabama line, where more than 100 homes were affected. Dave Packer, ABC News.